Do you like bird watching and you also want to have an adventure like Amazon? Well, here's the answer. Hi friends, I'm Shomik and please join me on my solo adventure trip at Purvostali. To reach here, I boarded on the 5:38 local from Howrah station and get off at Purvostali station. From here, I took an electric vehicle towards the bird sanctuary. If you wish, then you can stay here. You can see the booking description on the screen. And if you are coming through your own personal vehicle, then there's a parking facility also available here. You can also book a cottage if you wish to live in a cottage. You can see the number to book a cottage on screen. Finally, the adventure begins. I have hired a boat and that's Join Toda. He's the most famous person here. So I got lucky that I got him. So let's begin and he will be the partner in adventure today. So let's begin the journey and keep watching. Join Toda's knowledge about birds is truly amazing. If you come here, then you can call Join Toda to book a board in advance. But don't worry, you don't have to pay anything in advance. I will give the number of Join Toda in the description box. If you come here, please go through it. There are few guys on their winter vacation here. Let's meet them one by one. This is barn swallow and it is the most widespread species of swallow in the world. It is found in Europe, Asia, Africa and the Americas. This is a stork-billed kingfisher and it's a tree kingfisher which is widely but sparsely distributed in tropical Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia from India to Indonesia. This white guy is having lunch is open-bill stork. They are mostly found in Southern Asia from India and Sri Lanka to Southeast Asia. The guy you are seeing acting like a commanding officer of the storks is a grey-headed purple swampin. It is found from Middle East to the Indian subcontinent to southern China to northern Thailand. Now, who's this guy far away? Well, it's a pond heron and they are found in China and subtropical of East Asia. Now, who's this little guy trying to play hide and seek? Well, it's a little grape and the various species of little grapes are found in Europe, Western Russia, Northern Africa, Iran, Sub-Saharan Africa, Madagascar, Sri Lanka, Indian subcontinent, Burma and other places. This is a common kingfisher or Eurasian kingfisher and they are mostly found in Europe, Asia and North Africa. These cute white guys are cotton pygmy goose and they are mostly found in Asia, Southeast Asia and southeastern Queensland. This is a pheasant-tailed jacana, and they are found in tropical Asia from Yemen to west to the Philippines, and they are the only jacanas that migrate long distances with different non-breeding and breeding plumages. This guy is yellow bittern, and they are found in Indian subcontinent, east to the Russia, Japan and Indonesia. This guy you see having lunch is glossy ibis, and they are found in Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia and Atlantic and Caribbean region. This solo traveler who seems to have lost the way is bronze-winged jacana, and they are found in South and Southeast Asia. Well, I hope you know this one. This is a cormorant. These are red-crested pochard. The one with the red beak is the male one, and the one with the black beak is the female one. They are mostly found in southern Europe from steppe and semi-desert area on the Black Sea to Central Asia and Mongolia. The herd you see is of lesser whistling ducks or Indian whistling ducks, and they are mostly found in Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Unlike normal ducks, they don't quack, they whistle. So that's it for bird watching. I hope you like this video. But wait, where are you going, man? ये तो सिर्फ bird watching था. Picture अभी बाकी है. Another place here which is called Amazon of the Poor or the Amazon of Bengal. Now our next destination is Amazon of Bengal. This is where which is called Amazon of the Poor or the Amazon of Bengal, and it's great. It's kind of feel like Amazon, and let's hope I don't get attacked by anaconda. Well, I get to see one water snake here at Amazon of Bengal, but luckily I don't get attacked by anaconda. we are meeting the Ganga river. The structure you see is the Mayapur ISKCON temple, and it is the world's largest ISKCON temple. Now it's time to return through the same path by which I came here, but the good thing is I'm going to meet the birds once again. So the boat ride is over, so it's the trip. So before I conclude this video, I would like to meet you the person who took me for this ride. Yes, জয়ন্তদা আপনি যদি একটু কিছু বলতে পারেন সম্পর্কে একটু বলুন।
বলা যায় আসলে পাখির বিষয় নিয়ে কি জিজ্ঞাসা করছেন বলেন, আমি সেটা উত্তর
মানে এখানে কেমন হয়, মানে কোন আসার পর সবথেকে ভালো সময় কোনটা?
সবথেকে ভালো সময় হচ্ছে নভেম্বর মাস থেকে জানুয়ারির মাঝামাঝি।
জানুয়ারির মাঝামাঝি, তাহলে আমি লেট হয়ে গেছে আমার।
হ্যাঁ, লেট হয়ে যায় বলতে কি ওয়েদারের উপর ডিপেন্ড করে। এবছর ওয়েদারে ঠান্ডা ছিল না, গরম হলে কি তাড়াতাড়ি বাইরের পর্যায়ে পাখি চলে যায়। এবং এলাকাবর্তী যে পার্বতী যে চাষ হয়, চাষিরা যখন মাঠে নেমে পড়ে তখন পাখিরা ভয়ে উঠে যায়।
আচ্ছা,
যে তখন জলের পাখিগুলো থাকে, পার্বতী পাখিগুলো থাকে না।
তাহলে আচ্ছা, যখন এই পাখির এই সিজনটা শেষ হয়ে যাবে তখন আপনারা এই গ্রামের লোকেরা কি করবেন জানেন?
এমনি প্রতিটা নৌকা মাঝি ধরে ওই মৎস্যজীবী মাছ ধরেই তাদের জীবিকা নির্ভর করে।
ভালো, তো খুবই ভালো লাগলো আজকে। হ্যাঁ, মানে সত্যি এটা খুব ভালো লাগলো আজকে। দেখা যাক এরপরে আবার কবে আসতে পারি। So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. This was one of the most beautiful solo trip I ever had, and keep watching. See you soon. But before I finish this video, I would like to say something, that if you come here and visit this place, then please do not throw anything, whether it is plastic or any other junk, into the water. Please keep the environment clean. Thank you. Bye bye.